Richtech Robotics, they are back. No specific news today, but they are at this Pro-Wayne 2025 conference right now in Germany. They could be wheeling dealing, I don't even know, but I hope not because I'm waiting to buy more. This one's saying stock now. I don't think that would be the case. If you notice, they're rising. That was them just recently. Then we had our incidents, but they did go back and forth. So this volatility all the way. In fact, I probably wouldn't buy more Richtech until it's under that way. I did the 143s. I like that. I could foresee this because remember, then you got Serve. Serve is a primary example. Look at them. This is after Jensen announced he was investing in them. Jensen of NVIDIA. Even though Serve Robotics runs on NVIDIA chips anyways, and he was a big supporter in their launching in the beginning, going public. And then they had a fishy, people didn't like the earnings. You had the DeepSeek. You had the tariffs. Tariff news, not good for robotics. And speaking of Jensen, so like I said, there's always time, I think. You also have Nebius, and Jensen got his stake in them. And they don't look good here today, but they were up. Man, it was a good time back then. But things are getting better, I think. And I almost want to get into this, but like I said, well, they're an they're a chip AI company, but they also have a rolling robot subsidiary similar to Serve. So Serve Robots, they're going to look like this, rolling around. No regulations. They can roll these bad boys nationwide. No problem. Nobody cares. And then, what is Nebius? Nebius subsidiary. I don't know if they can come up. Robots. Let's see. Yeah, these are them. AV Ride. And Jensen, he likes Nebius. And maybe he likes AV Ride. I don't know. He might be a fan. But he also said last week, robotics is the move. So, anytime any of these really plummet, I'm buying more. I think I might be more confident in Richtech Robotics now than I am in Serve. I don't know, because they have their hospitality industry could be huge.